recording. This bird.
Funny little story. It lost its body in a car accident.
Trying to pick up its head so I can put it on a stick.
Whoa, its eyes are like opening. No. It's winking. Ka-chinga chinga. Ka-chinga chinga. Oh, look, one eye's open, the other one's closed.
It's alive!
Going, where's my body? Oh, it's moving away swiftly. Okay, now we should... This is just some crazy shit. Oh.
And who the hell is poking this freaking bird?
Caitlin and Lear. and snarly check here. Look at it poking at it.
Freaking bird! Poor bird.
I'll say.
Didn't
Lost
even
its body.
I wasn't talking about that. Imagine if it wasn't born with a body.
Oh, that would be sad. Now I wonder where the
Hey, Mom! Look at me. I got no body, just a head.
I wonder where the other part, where part 2 is. Should we go find it?
Yeah.
Lear's on a hunting mission. Okay, let's try to find the bird's body. Was that it? Let's zoom. Okay, no, it's not. Okay.
No.
Okay, so let's continue the race. See, look, birdie, we're going to find your body in no time. Okay. Oh, dodgy feathers.
I don't know, but I found the killer!
The killer! You're so dead, man. You can't run away now. Sounds scary. Okay. You killed it. You're gonna go to jail. Okay, before we find the body, it might not have been the killer. Come on, let's try to find it.
It could have been an older bird.
Could be that person. Okay, come on, investigator Leah. Let's go find something. Look at meat. He had a bird instead of food.
I think I found it! No, wait. It's just something spongy.
Oh, it could be something. Okay. Let's go find it.
We'll keep you reposted when we find it.
Good. Okay, coming up next. Little birdie lost its home.